All right, how to adjust your mowing deck, the pitch of your mowing deck here on this Sears Suburban SS12. It's a 42-inch scissor style deck. The 48 should be very similar. Older box style, this probably is not the same. All right, so you can do this while the deck is on the tractor. It's actually preferred. You can see my deck right now is kicked up. The left side is kicked up a little higher than the right. So on the back of the left scissor is a little adjusting bolt right there, and I believe it's a 9/16, but I'll verify in a second. And so all you do here to bring down this side is you lefty loosey the threads and watch the side go down, and adjusting it down until the deck is level. And you'll have to kind of keep checking it as you go. And that's how you adjust the pitch of the Sears Suburban scissor style deck. The right side does not have an adjuster on it, only the left. If you find your deck, you've already got your nut, like in this case, my nut's all the way down as far as I can safely get it to go. And I still really need to go down another 1/4 inch or so. So this right here is a pass-through. This is what holds the adjuster to the bracket. And right below here, there is another, this is not threaded, moves up and down. There's another little kind of spacer right here that moves up and down. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove the spacer right here, and that should give me an extra little bit of depth down to adjust my deck to where it needs to be. Here, this is the spacer that I removed, and this is the washer that I installed. This is just a hardened grade 8, I think it's a 5/16, but don't quote me on it. That gives me an extra 3/8 inch or so downwards movement, which is what I need for my deck. And we'll get it adjusted and go out. Well, actually I don't have to go out, and I'll just put it on there and measure it and get both sides equal